Welcome back to my kitchen and meal planning Mondays. This is week I don't remember. Week 20 something. Oh, you'll see it on the thumbnail. Anyway, I went to Walmart already for this next coming week. I'm going to have a couple of travel days on Wednesday and on Friday. So I'm going to have 2 travel days, and I'm going to try not to eat out when I travel these 2 days. So I've eaten out quite a bit lately. It's so easy just to run in, get something, and come out and eat it and not cook and not prepare meals. And I went pretty cheap this week. So I'm going to just show you what I got and kind of what I'm thinking. I am going to cook, which I already have. I bought a can of Manwich, to make sloppy joes. So I'm going to make sloppy joes with a can of that ground beef, and I'll do a video on that because that's going to be the easiest sloppy joes you can ever have because you don't even have to cook the meat. So I know that's going to give me a couple of days of leftovers. So I have some hamburger. I lost the twist tie. I have some hamburger buns still left, and so I'm going to eat that. And I'm also going to keep some of that ground beef meat left a little bit pulled to the side because I want to fix some spaghetti with some meat sauce. Okay, this is my little grocery haul for this week. I went with, I'm going to have 1 ham steak with a small can of baked beans and some salad that I still have left over. That's going to be 1 meal. So that's just 1 meal. And the other steak, I'm going to make a ham sandwich. I hadn't had a ham sandwich in a while, so I'm going to have ham sandwich. There's some tomatoes that's going to go with it. And when these ripen up, I'm just going to eat these avocados for snack with it, or we'll make some guacamole, because I am going to make some nachos with this nacho cheese. And I bought some Julio's. That's my favorite store-bought salsa. Some Julio's salsa, some cheese. And then also, since I bought the bread, I went ahead and bought some pimento cheese. So I'm going to have at least 2 or 3 sandwiches with this. So that is basically the fastest meal planning Monday there ever was. But 1 day of spaghetti, 2 days of sloppy joes, 1 ham steak. The other ham steak will become a sandwich. And I've already lost count. Nachos and pimento cheese sandwiches. So that is this week's meal plan. I'll see y'all in the next video.